The workshop-assisted lower limb exoskeleton is a low-cost exoskeleton solution. Introducing our revolutionary single plunger mechanism. Inspired by race car steering technology, this quick-release system offers lightning-fast detachment and reattachment. To attach, simply secure the device to the gluteal plate and fasten the strap around the operator's heel. It comprises of an upper limb and a lower limb, both equipped with a telescopic function for easy adjustments. This design accommodates operators of varying heights, ensuring optimal configuration and comfort. If removal of the exoskeleton is necessary, the process is highly efficient. Simply activate the quick release system and detach the Velcro strap from around the heel for rapid disengagement.